Hello, welcome back to another Legacy video. My name is Chris, and today's demonstration will certainly catch your eye. We're going to demonstrate how to produce custom textured panel doors. Now we'll quickly breeze through the CAD/CAM software, and we'll wrap things up by cutting these parts on Legacy's Maverick CNC machine. Just like in the base cabinet video where we produced the door and drawer front with router bit shape profiles to give us this raised panel look, the same thing is going to be applied to these three doors. The combination of a plunge flat roundover, a large core box cutter, and the tapered ball nose end mill gives us the details necessary to complete that step. The first textured panel is this wave design. This is done by using a textured toolbox gadget to perform this toolpath. The second is a simple texturing toolpath, and it makes it look like it's chiseled or scooped with a large molding cutter. And last is an actual 3D model design of a weave pattern. The first two designs actually use the shape of the cutter to give us the textured pattern, whereas the final design actually had to use a tapered ball nose end mill to carve the entire panel itself. Now let's jump to the CNC machine and see the difference between a cutter profile and rastered carving. The first cutter is our plunge flat roundover cutter with a 1/4 inch radius. This performs the inner and outer radius cuts of the door panels. The second tool is a tapered ball nose end mill with a 32nd inch ball nose. This cleans up the corners where the radius was left behind and shows that there are times when you can combine router bit profiles and raster carving to give you the best of both worlds. The third tool is a 1.5 inch diameter core box cutter. This performs the large concave radius along the inner edge of our door panels. The same tool is used to machine the wave texture pattern. With this cutting technique, it only took 6 minutes to produce this wave texture. The fourth tool is a crown molding cutter that has a very large radius. Because the shape of the cutter was used for this tool path, it only took 8 minutes to perform this custom texture. The third textured panel will be using a tapered ball cutter that has an 1/8 inch ball nose. This will simply raster back and forth to give us the detail of the weave. Even though this texture is captivating, it took over 2 hours to carve that textured panel. The last cutter is a 1/4 inch end mill and is used to cut out the doors. Again, by combining the shapes of router bit profiles and raster carving techniques, we can come up with unlimited design possibilities. This is one of many differences that set Legacy apart. We train businesses and woodworkers on how to elevate their CNC capabilities to the next level. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, press that like button. Now, if you want to learn more about Legacy CNC machines and what they can do for you, I recommend you go over to our website. You can click the link right over there to do so. Now, if you want to learn more about the products and services we provide, watch the video The Legacy Story by clicking the link right down there. Don't forget to subscribe and check mark the little bell icon so you receive email notifications every time a new video is released. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.